So how did you take those off? So it's these.
Those will slide out.
Yeah, right.
somehow.
Oh, they do actually pull out once
You
you've...
got holes in it.
Yeah,
So
okay.
You have to.
No, you can't
Move
get
it.
those out, Glenny.
You'd need scissors. So you snip around that end, do you?
This is all black.
You must snip around it. Do you remember how you did it with the scissors? Or did you pull it out, Glenyss?
That.
I think you must have had to snip
No,
around it
Glenny.
first with the scissors.
Where's the ones I was using before?
Don't worry about it now. Did you want...
Oh yeah, that's that one, but I did it.
No! What
It was
happened?
just a bit sharp because I just
Because
had a
the
bit of
button
cleaning
into
there.
it.
Oh, you're right.
Got button.
Yeah,
see.
I am fine. Glenny, you had to use scissors for that.
Yeah, but there's a button in there.
I know it's a
tight.
button. It's easy, you cut it around it. So you need to cut it out, Glenny. That's all you do.
I'm tired.
All you do, you need to untie it before you do that.
You two
Wait a minute.
have just become such experts at doing
Look
this,
at
haven't
that.
you?
No, we can't. See? It's this. So we
You
can't,
have to, you know,
so we
the
can't get it
metal
out.
thing.
It's
Yeah, so
stuck.
you've got to be cut out.
Yeah.
You have to cut out.
You've done such an incredible job cutting them out because look how clean that cut is.
Yeah.
So you cut and then pull.
Because it's very difficult because the button and the metal thing.
Mm-hmm,
But it's still
Why
like,
did you got nothing else to do in there, Glenny?
I'll finish the video.
What kind of video do you do?
Clipping.
You're doing an amazing job.
Yeah, I got a few of those ones. They're like a Batman wing thing.
They're cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Who would have thought that would be inside that?
Exactly.
Wonder what we could do with that. Wonder if you could use it as a clip for those microphones that you guys are doing.
Yeah, that's what I wonder. Just click on this.
I think I did.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
I did find a way to get it out.
Isn't that interesting? What could you
can
do with that,
talk
Watson?
into-
Yeah, you could pop a little microphone there.
Look. See, I can.
Ah, you're getting it out.
It's not easy to try.
It's so not easy, is it?
See?
I found the
got that
Virgin one.
You did. Well done. Oh, you got it out all the way.
See? That's how you do it.
Yeah.
You know some people who normally does wearing ties a lot? One of the men.
Yes.
Men ties, sometimes women.
No, because
Well,
some-
this is this
because
is what the women were wearing, and that one's easier, isn't it?
There's the ladies one.
Yeah, but it's the
Men
men's
tends to be
ones.
Bow,
no, it's a bow tie. That's what it is.
bow tie or bow. You still have clip one of these.
See?
Getting there. Oh wow!
Look at that.
Look
So
at
have
that,
click off
Lauren.
anyway.
You're so very clever.
You have to try and push
And then
them
you would
out.
chop that last bit. Oh, you actually are pulling it all the way out without chopping.
Yeah. They're like Batman wings, like pins.
Yes,
It's not easy when it come out.
it's not. We can chop those ties though. So if you wanted to chop them, that is going to make it easier. Remember, because those ones are actually
Because
going to go
there's
into the
sticks.
everything else pile.
Because
It's made of polyester.
Oh, I got that one. I got that one.
The tie is just made of polyester, so it's going to the everything else pile, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yay!
Made it.
Made it.
Made it. See?
This is
Yes.
a clip, you know. That one's
Made it
be
out. Then it
both
goes like.
sides.
Far
See,
out.
look at that.
Yeah.
See?
See, so you could
And
just
then it-
snip that in future. Just snip it and don't, you know,
You're not supposed to keep it anyway?
no, and not keeping it because it'll go into the everything else pile.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it goes
But
in
this will
the-
be so great to
and then it goes in
show.
the bag when I was using before.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, it's right in there.
So that's the idea for next time when you're doing the sitting down. Use your big brown bags, those ones.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then it could be-
hair clips.
And then it'll make you fast because then you can just go quickly, easy into the brown bag.
Yeah.
And then everything will automatically be sorted. Thanks, girls. Oh my gosh, you're so good at this. Well done.